guys, welcome back to my channel. I really hope you all guys are staying safe and happy with your family. So as you can tell from the title of the video, I'm gonna make some big changes in my channel, and before implementing them, I actually wanted to speak. So yeah, I just wanted to sit, relax and talk to you peacefully, but Jeet just told me that we placed an order actually 3 days back in Home Depot, so that's ready. So we're gonna go pick that up. That's a curbside pickup. And yeah, I just wanted a couple of things urgently, so we're gonna go there and then I'm gonna sit, relax and talk to you all. So yeah, let's go pick our things. So obviously it's the next day, and the reason why I'm inserting next day's clip before the vlog is that I want you guys to listen to what I'm saying, because this is something I feel is important. I cannot pressurize you to say this, but it's just a request. Please watch what I'm saying because it's important. I have my note with me. I don't want to forget anything. So the thing is that going forward, my channel, my vlogs will be in English. I've already started it from today's vlog. The reason is that I don't want to limit myself to one particular area or region. It's a mom life, and I feel that it's just that it's a mom, what all moms do, what my life is like, what life with a baby is, what struggle I go through. I'm showing that, and I just don't want to it to be limited to one particular language. And English is something which I think most of us know, most of us understand. Also, many of my friends actually, they wanted to see my vlog, but unfortunately they don't understand Hindi, and many of them are from Canada, so that is also one of the reasons why I want to vlog in English. Secondly, I am gonna change my channel's name. I know I've already done it before, and I should have been more wise in thinking the name. I thought my name is what I want, but now when I'm a little more experienced in this YouTube world, so I'm picking a new name. That will be a surprise for the next vlog. My YouTube display picture, that will be the same, so don't get confused. That's why I just thought of coming here and telling you in advance, so don't skip that. And the reason why I'm changing is that because the name I've chosen will be more accessible and more relatable to all the moms. So all the moms can relate to that name, so that's why I've chosen that name and I'm changing it to that. That's gonna be the final name. And lastly, the most important thing that I want to talk to you about is the content of my channel. So I guess Jeet is gonna join us. So I was just talking about the points we discussed yesterday. I actually wanted to start my channel from very long, but when I moved from Canada to India, India to Canada. So before that, I was actually searching for many Canada related videos. I actually come across many of those kind of videos. They were like very long. People were talking many other things than what was the actual topic of the video. So I thought, those were not particularly very helpful for me. So I thought I'm gonna make the videos to make to make more valuable for others, because I couldn't find one. And the thing is, it's more of like I wanted to document my journey. So I started from there of explaining whatever little I knew, and that is all about Canada. And basically I am in YouTube because of documenting my journey. And then I took almost a year, 10 months break. I could have done any sort of videos. My channel was not blooming, but my channel was doing fairly better than now, because I was posting Canada related videos, and those were like really crisp videos, whatever there was in the topic that was there. And people suggested me make those videos to gain a lot of subscribers, but I didn't, because I was not feeling well, and I didn't want to vlog just for the sake of vlogging, and gaining money was never my thing. I started because of connecting with people, so that I can talk to you freely without being judged. So then I entered the most wonderful phase of my life, motherhood, and I've been very consistent with my vlogs. I have created all sort of mom videos, so I'm documenting that. I have nothing left for Canada related videos, though I'm showing my life in Canada, how a middle class normal mom's life is in Canada, but there won't be any, you know, Canada related videos as such. I have been getting many requests, many, you know, questions for immigration. So guys, this is a mom's channel. I am sorry if you got that impression, because that was me who started with a channel like that. I shouldn't have. I don't regret, honestly I don't regret, because that was never my motto to make it a Canada immigration channel.
We didn't actually start with, I mean, for Canada related videos. It was to show our journey. At that time our journey was coming from India to Canada, applying for spousal visa and stuff. In the near future, if we do for any other step for Canada, then we might make additional video for Canada, because that will be the journey at that time for like applying citizenship and stuff. So,
and I appreciate each one of you. I have 4.23 or 4.24 thousand subscribers, but trust me, I was getting a lot more views when I was posting Canada related videos. I'm not, because I know I mean, I think majority of the subscribers are here because of Canada related video. It really feels bad, you know, when you are doing a lot of with a baby. It's no joke. And I have never begged for views. I've never begged for, you know, watching my ads full, because I never created this channel in the first go for money. I have always talked about, you know, commenting on my vlog so that I can improve myself. I think last vlog someone commented, it doesn't look good, why don't you paint your nails? And see, I have painted them, because that was a sweet comment. I mean, this is what my channel is about. There's a girl called Aishwarya. Now she is a very close friend of us. She's like a family. She sent a video for 2 videos for Kabir's birthday. I cannot thank her enough. Thank you so much, Ishu. You mean a lot to me. So I appreciate each one of you. I mean, there's no one who has commented or who has DM'd me on Instagram. I haven't replied. I don't think there's any single one of them I haven't replied. You might say that, you know, you are getting few comments, you have very few subscribers, very few people comment you. When I was getting many more, even in my house tour, I have got many comments, but I have replied to each one of them, because
it's not about how many messages you get. It's life is busy, right? It's like you are working, then you're handling the entire house, then a baby, and then you still take out time to reply to the comments and Instagram, because as she said earlier that we are really not in this for money.
It really feels bad when you put on so much effort. And now, I mean, I think 3-4 vlogs back I said that please like the video, just because, you know, people, then as many likes you get, as many comments you get, the video is featured recommended, and then I can reach out to many more moms and I can connect with them. It's just to make a community. Regardless of how many times I said, regardless of how you don't like my video, you don't give a like, fine, just comment what you don't like. I'm ready to improve. It's just because I wanted to, you know, I wanted to get that connection with people, which I'm not getting. I don't know, where do I lack? Where do you people don't connect with me? I don't know. That's what I always ask you guys to comment, so that I can improve myself. But it's just that I think people have commented that make your videos on Hindi. Then when I started making videos on Hindi, I got not 1, 3-4 direct messages that, do you think your Hindi is so good? I mean, you talk like Angrezi person speaking in Hindi. Then somebody said, why are you talking in Hindi? Why don't you talk in English? I mean, it's gonna be in English. And I'm sorry guys if I disappointed you, but this is the real mom life. No filter, nothing. Anyway, so I think we have talked enough, so let's get into the video. You look so cute. There wasn't anything in there, trust me.
No chocolate.
Most of the aisles were empty. The only thing I could see was decoration stuff and some other stuff, makeup. Yep. He's eating.
Mama.
Yes, Mama is back.
So yeah, we are back. It's about 7:54 and I don't remember the exact time, but I think we left it around 3:30ish, maybe. Here is Mr. Kabir. So we went to Home Depot first. There we got our pack. What are you eating? Daddy gave you something? Is that chocolate? You like chocolate? You love it? Oh, your smile says it all. So yeah, what was I saying? Yeah, so we went to home. We went to Home Depot, we got our orders, we got our package, and then we were actually running short on grocery and we wanted some things. So we went to Walmart, and there are two Walmarts in Sudbury actually. So one you just saw, there was a long queue. So I didn't have that patience to go there, stand in the queue, and God knows how long it's gonna continue. So we went to the other Walmart, which is actually near our place. So I'm gonna show you now what all things I bought, a mini grocery haul. So I'll start with this side. Here is Kabir. Hi. I got a pack of milk. It has 3 packs inside. I got some tomato. I got this lettuce, this big branch, and some Coke for Jeet. Then I got this brownie mix, some mushroom, and there's nothing in. Yeah, a bunch of spring onion, and then I got this Ziploc bag, 2 packs of egg because we eat egg almost every day. This lemon, 3 of them, a burger bun, a pack of wheat bread, 2 packs of Quaker oats, 1 bottle of olive oil, 1 bottle of 1 pack of olive oil. Then we got this kids chocolate mix, some Thai paste, some mayonnaise, a pack of curd, 1 oil spray, got 1 pineapple. Then I got 1 pack of all-purpose flour. This is very difficult to get it here. I saw in Amazon it was like 3 times of the price they were selling. One of this burger bun patty. This is like just you can take it out from freezer and good to go. Also, and this is the Lysol multi-purpose disinfectant cleaner. This was out of stock for God knows how long. We also got 1 Equate hand soap. I'm not sure if it is focusing. Yeah, Equate hand soap, and 1 more of these. Ta-da! We got Lysol disinfecting wipes finally. I bought this night suit for Kabir. This has feet, and actually this is the one, Star and Moon, and this one says I love you to the moon and back. So Kabir had this sleeper in I think 3 to 6 month size or 0 to 3.
I think 0 to 3.
Yeah, 0 to 3 month size, and we loved it. I mean, this was one of my favorite night suit, and you will see it actually suits him very well. So I saw it and I couldn't leave it behind. So yeah, I got 2 of these, and yeah, I'll have to wash it before using. So this is everything we got. What are you guys doing?
Swinging.
Kabir, you don't need a swing. He's smiling.
Yep.
Now he's putting on to his head.
Can I have it?
Oh,
Square. Can you put square?
good job. There was there was a mic attached to this. Where is that?
It's wireless now.
And it's wireless now. Thanks to Kabir. Kabir, thank you so much. We appreciate it. And he knows that's a mic. Actually, I'm not sure if he thinks that to be a mic yet, or he just thinks that to be an ice cream cone. Because that looks like an ice cream cone, right? Yeah.
I feel like having ice cream now.
We have one.
No ice cream cone.
Ice cream cone we don't have. So Kabir as such never wants to play with the toys. Ball and things are still okay, but his favorite thing is the slipper that we wear. Any sort of, shoes, the dirtiest, the most favorite thing. So I'm gonna keep my shoes here just to show you. He's gonna come straight to the shoes. I just told you. More crying? Deal? Deal? Okay. Life with a baby? No joke. Look how smart is he? Good job! What's the time now? Today is just one of those days when he doesn't want to play alone, or he doesn't want to sit on his high chair. He doesn't want to do anything on his own. What's wrong?
He's tired actually. Napping अच्छे से नहीं.
What's wrong?
Sam, have this first. Give it. Give Kabir.
So this is my first real meal of the day. I don't think I'll have two because this is really filling. So I think I'm gonna have one and little more.
No, you'll have both.
No, I can't. And this is my this is my real food for the day. I had Kabir's leftover oatmeal in the morning, and since then I didn't have anything actually. Mom life. I don't know, today was just one of those days. I'm really tired. He's been saying that since yesterday. Mama. I guess my dinner has to wait. Oh, okay. Let's give you a bath first. Okay. Let's go for a bath.
Sam is putting Kabir to bed for his night, and I thought I'll tackle the kitchen till then so that she can relax. She is up since morning. She and Kabir woke at the same time. I slept through because I was not feeling well. So let's do the kitchen. Okay, so I've done the dishes, but Sam has not come out of the room yet. So I'm just going to check because sometimes she has trouble putting Kabir to the crib because yesterday we just pull the crib to the lowest level. He doesn't try to jump out of it, and he can stand easily. So I'm just going inside quietly to check what's going on.
So this is it for today's video, guys. I really hope you'll enjoyed it. So I'm gonna see you guys very soon in my next one. Until then, stay safe, guys. Bye, guys.